What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Steve's Random Stuff. Hey, today, got a big announcement for you. Wife and I are kind of going down a new road, you can say, taking a new path. Gonna add some more content to the channel. And as I turn around here, we went out and got ourselves an RV. It's a 21-foot travel trailer, and kind of a starter trailer for us. This is our first time RVing, first time RV owners. But we went out and bought this 2022 Keystone Hideout, and be taking some trips, having more content on the channel. But I know what y'all thinking, and that is, how you gonna tow the boat? And so that's a good question, but that's what I got friends for, right? So we'll get out in the lake again. Actually, tomorrow I'll be on the Delta, and we'll get out there on the road. But first of all, we'll just take some trips out and do some camping to the wife and I, and then maybe take the grandkids out and get on the road and see the world. So we're not going to be full-time RVers, just part-time camping trips and stuff, but just got to get our feet wet and learn about the RV and the RV life. So stay tuned, more to come, and we'll talk to you later.